Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Fortnite movement chapter 5. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So fortunately, a few tweaks in the keyboard settings will help players fix movement in Fortnite Chapter 5. However, for those playing on a console, the bad news is that feature is not available to you yet. So here's what you need to do to improve your strafing, building, turning around, and other moving mechanisms in the game. So first, just head to their settings and toggle to keyboard controls. And after that, while you are here, just scroll down to find the force walk or and then unbind this key to turn it off, and after that just head to the mouse and keyboard setting and scroll down to the keyboard movement. So this part right here, turn on the custom diagonals and then increase the sensitivity of forward diagonal angle, strafe angle, and then the backward diagonal angle to the max. And now players will find the movement overall is much better for them, and they can experiment with these three to bring out the best for them. So hopefully this will help you fix the movement in Fortnite chapter 5. And so I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.